In this video, we will learn about how to pick images from the gallery using a third-party library which I picked from the GitHub. So I will show you like how to add this library and how it's working and how we pick images from that library. So let's get to the coding. I already wrote the code which is necessary in order to show you. So it saves a lot of time when I start writing coding along with explaining. So it takes minimum video to maximum size of video or lot of time so one can consume. So these are the steps like pick her file from gallery. First steps I will show you like how to add library in the Gradle file. We already know that in the previous videos. So let me show you again. I will go to the app level build Gradle file. So there this library I am using is, so I implement this library and I will show you in the documentation like so this person created this amazing library. It saves a lot of work and a lot of time, so you can read the documentation of that library. Like it provides compressions, maximum results and crop functionality as well. So in this video I will discuss only compression and crop. So apart from other features you want to explore, so you just go to the documentation and check their documentation as well. So you will find out some more features according to your need. So I will stick to that what I needed. So in the first step I added, so as in new versions of Android Studio, when you created Android project, in that project level build .gradle file, and there you will see some of the section were missing, that because they were moved to the setting.gradles. So these sections are there existing. So for adding this library I also need a maven which is jetpack.io, so I added there as well. So if without adding this, the library will not be downloading to the project and it will not be working. So it is necessary to add maven there as well. So this is the second step. Third step is to let's jump into the library like how it's work. So the third step is like I created a callback like register for activity results. So as the user click on the image, so the image URI will be picked from there. If the result is okay, in case of any error occur, then we will get the error, or if user cancel, we can also get the callback as well there. So this is how like it's like when you have familiar with the old experience like how you are picking images. So that's exactly same like on activity result we were checking there, if the result is okay we will getting the URI from the data. So that is the same as, so we just did it, assigned it into the variable. And yeah, that is part regarding the callback and how we call the library. Let me show you that. Yeah, so this is the builder pattern. So in the builder pattern we calling multiple functions like image picker with it accept either activity or fragment. In this case we are in a fragment. So for currently I just comment the crop functionality. I will show you without crop and with crop. Compression is like 124 what it's called size, like you can say is like 1 MB. Gallery only we can have multiple options, like if you click on it, sorry, if you type camera only or gallery only. Currently I am only needed from the to pick images from the gallery, so that's why I'm using this method. And then create intent, the so the callback we assign to this variable, we are just launching it from there. So as soon as user click on the button, it will come there and it will launch that intent, and it will go to the redirect to the gallery screen where user pick the images, and in that callback we will get that URI. So why we need URI I will explain later. Let me show you in the layout file, like I add a button and also recycle view with horizontal orientation. That's because so the picked images we will be showing to the user as well. So that is the same like as we were adding the tags for that layout. So I just copy that tag layout and paste it there and label it with images. Below that I created a recycle view and with orientation horizontal. And for this I need as a adapter class as well, because so the picked images I need to show that in the recycle view which required adapter. So that's why I created adapter class. So adapter class is nothing, just very simple. So in the layout file, if you notice, I have just a simple image view and another image view which will indicate to the cancel. So if the user want to remove the image, he doesn't, so he can press on the cancel button. So that's how it's working. And also I am passing on cancel lambda function. So in the cancel, I also that function callback is required, because when I assign that image adapter, I will pass that lambda function. So as if a user doesn't want any of the picture, he click on the cancel button and that callback, I will also remove that from this list as well. So the image URI is actually required in order to upload images to Firebase storage. So based on the URIs, we will pass the URIs to the functions which does the uploading part. So yeah, I will show you into different way. Like first I will upload a single image, then I will also show you how to upload multiple images simultaneously, or yeah. So that is pretty much regarding to like the explanation. Let me show you the demo. In the demo, okay, yeah, so I am already running an application. I will go to the create node, add images. In the add images, I will pick this picture. That's how it's showing. I will pick another second picture, yeah, and I will also pick third picture. So this picture is actually taking a little bit time. That's because it's captured from the camera and its size is quite big. So that's why it's appearing a little bit time. What we can do is like showing a progress bar. So in order to let the user know that something is happening in the backend. Yeah. So this is how pretty much regarding, like if you add more images, we can scroll because the orientation is horizontally. If I want to cancel any of the image, I just click on the cancel button. Currently it's not working. I'm not sure why it's not working. Let's just debug that. We have that. Oh man, no. Okay, yes, so we have dual click listener on the single button, so that's why it's not working. I will just do that. Before calling the callback function, I will remove that item because I have another method which required position, so it will remove that from that list and notify data set change, item change. Sorry, I will just rerun the application and let's see if it's working or not. Add node, yeah, this time we select, let's just add another image, select, and another image as well, select, yeah. If I click on it, it's crash. Why it's crash, not sure. If I go to the node detail, and I have also the list reference there as well, image URIs, and I am also passing this list reference to the adapter, and that reference store in the list as well. So what we are doing is actually removing it there in adapter and also in detail as well. So it's mean like if we want to remove any of the item, it will remove two times. Suppose we have four different images, so I will show you index wise, like first, second, third and fourth. Let's suppose if I want to remove on the fourth image, which is actually on third index, if I click on the remove button, we have like as I show you in the code, we are calling like two times the remove function. One is in the adapter class and one is the node detail. So first it remove in the adapter class. So basically it remove that image from the image URI. Image URI is also itself reference to that image URIs, but if we pass that to the adapter, so that list actually the reference is store of that image URIs. So if change has been made to that in adapter class, so it's mean the change happened to also this list as well, because the reference is same. So that was the reason it actually caused the bug. Now what I did is like go to the not listing adapter and remove that from there. Okay, we will just invoke that lambda function, and not detail screen I will just remove from there, and will create a function on remove image, and will pass position and item. Okay, let's just create function. Yeah, and yeah, adapter, we have a method adapter remove at item. This time we will pass position. Okay, let's just move that where we can put it. Let's just below the update UI. Okay, so that is pretty much regarding. Let me just run the application and to see if it's still happening or not. Add note, add image. Okay, again, yeah, we have three image. If I click on the cancel, this time it's work, and as you can see it's working. So what was the reason? That's because we are actually passing that store list. So we are passing that list to that adapter class, and also saving that list in this list variable. So basically it actually reference to that image URIs. So if any remove function item operation happen, that's mean that list is also affected. So we were doing like twice remove item. So that was the reason. Let's suppose if I remove image on the third index, so it basically remove that in the adapter class and also removed from this list as well. But that second method is also calling in that callback as well. So that was the reason it crashed, because on third index the image is also removed. So but the second time it will check if the index of that item is not existing, it will throw a crash. So that was the reason we were getting a crash. Now we resolved that, it's working fine. Now the next step is to upload the image, single image to the Firebase storage. Then the next step is to upload multiple image to Firebase storage. So we will see in that next video. And I will upload this code to the a separate branch. This time I will use git checkout -b feature pick images, and yeah, we are just switch to that branch. Let's just commit that code and upload to the GitHub repository. So what we did is pick image implemented, comment and push, and let's just wait a bit. Yeah, and just